To troubleshoot Authorize Net webhooks. Start by understanding what webhooks are and how they function. Webhooks are notifications sent by Authorize Net to your server when a specific event occurs, such as a successful payment or a failed transaction. The first step in troubleshooting is to verify that your webhooks are properly set up in the Authorize Net merchant interface. Ensure that the webhook URL is correctly formatted and points to the endpoint on your server that handles incoming webhook notifications. Also, confirm that the events you want to receive notifications for are enabled. Next, check your server logs to see if the webhook notifications are being received. If the notifications are not being received, check your server's IP address and ensure it is not blocking Authorize Net's IP addresses. You can find the list of Authorize Net's IP addresses in their documentation. Another common issue is the webhook signature mismatch. Authorize Net signs each webhook notification with a digital signature. Your server must verify this signature to ensure the notification is legitimate. If the signature verification fails, the notification will be rejected. To troubleshoot signature mismatch issues, ensure that you are using the correct webhook signature algorithm and that your server's clock is synchronized with the current time. A slight clock skew can cause the signature verification to fail. Additionally, check the webhook notifications HTTP headers and payload to ensure they match what is expected. You can use tools like Postman to test and inspect the webhook notifications. Best practices for troubleshooting Authorize Net webhooks include testing your webhook endpoint with a tool like Postman, monitoring your server logs for any issues, and implementing a retry mechanism for failed webhook notifications. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot issues with Authorize Net webhooks and ensure that your application receives the necessary notifications to function correctly.